Now, to be able to memorize our memory verse for today, I want you to get up from your seat and you stand up straight and you say our memory verse once more. Please say with me, Revelation chapter 1 verse 7, and it says, "Look, he is coming with the clouds." I also want you to try something else. Close your eyes like this so you don't look, and repeat the memory verse after me. That's Revelation chapter 1 verse 7, and it says, "Look, he is coming with the clouds." So that we can also remember, I want you to hold your waist like this and shake a bit. So you had breakfast today. You shake a bit and repeat after me. Revelation chapter 1 verse 7, "Look, he is coming with the cloud." God bless you. Take care.
Jesus told his disciples that he would one day go back to heaven. So Jesus went to heaven suddenly. He was one day walking with his disciples and he was taken up to heaven, and he left his disciples gazing up in heaven, and they were looking at him as he went up. And suddenly an angel of the Lord appeared to the disciples and told them, "Why are you still looking up? The same way he went up to heaven is the same way he will come back." Before Jesus went to heaven, he kept telling his disciples, "Watch for my coming." Before he went, he told them that he would come back. And he told them how to watch for when he's about to come back. Like if I told you if I leave in the morning and I tell you I will come back in the evening, and if you don't know what evening is, I tell you, when you see the sun has gone and darkness is coming, then know I'm about to come back. So Jesus told his disciples there would be signs of when he's about to come back. And he told them, "Watch for my coming," Jesus said, "because there will be troubles on the earth, and there will be wars, and there will be earthquakes." So he told them, when you see these things, know I'm about to come back, and I'll be coming back to get you and take you home with me to heaven. Isn't that a good thing when Jesus comes back again to take us to heaven with him? Yeah, me too. I think it's a good thing. And so right now, if we look at it, we can see there has been earthquakes. Earthquakes is when the ground shakes and everything shakes. I don't know if you've ever experienced an earthquake. Even me, I think I've experienced just one earthquake, and it was not so strong. But when you look at the TV, when you look at the movies, you can see what an earthquake is. There are places where they experience earthquakes and the earth shakes. It's called an earthquake because the earth shakes. And there have been wars. People are going to war, and there have been many kinds of troubles. Like now we have corona that is troubling us, and things are happening because the world is no longer a perfect place.
Hi kids, hope you're enjoying your VBS so far. Are you enjoying it? Wow, that's so nice. Now let me ask you, while you're watching the videos, did you hear some music in the background? Did you like it? You did? That's so nice. Today, I'm going to teach you the song that was playing in the background. Would you like to learn it with us? Wow. So, it goes like this. When the road is cold up yonder, when the road is cold up yonder, when the road is cold up yonder, when the road is cold up yonder. when the roll is called up yonder, 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 I'll be there. Wow! So sing along with us. The words are on the screen. Wow, welcome. When the roll is called up yonder, 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 I'll be there. When the trumpet of the Lord shall sound, and time will be no more, and the morning breaks eternal, bright and fair. When the sand of Archer gather over on the other shore, when the roll is called up yonder, I'll be there. When the roll is called up yonder, 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 I'll be there. One more time. When the roll is called up yonder, 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 I'll be there. One last time. When the roll is called up yonder, 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 I'll be there. Wow, congratulations for singing with us. So, I hope you've enjoyed it. Please join us next week for another song time. But join us tomorrow for the continuation of the lesson. Remember to share with all your friends everything you learn. Bye.